Alright guys, my name is Jordynbmx from Jordynbmx. If you want to see another bike check, it's a little bit better. This is my baby Tierra right here. So I got a Flybike's Tierra V5 frame. Pretty nice frame. I have to say, I got it for like a week now. Let's see what's special about it. Integrated headset, integrated seat clamp. It has some special brake system, but I don't know about it, so because I don't use brakes. It's called EBS system. Alright, started from the front. ODI long nut grips. They're pretty worn in. I bike like every day. Don't know what kind of bar ends I got. Don't get ODI bar ends. They suck. They snap and like, yeah, they suck. Shadow Voltus bars. I like big bars, so I got them 9 high, 30 wide. I love these bars. They're perfect for me. The crossbar isn't round. It's actually like pointed, which is pretty sick, I have to say. Pretty surprised when I got that. Shadow Conspiracy stem, forget the name of it, but it was on sale for 50 bucks, so I got that. Pretty good stem. I haven't had it for too long though. FSA impact headset. It was really weird when I first got it. I didn't know about it, but it's like a compression system. So they have a part where it pushes everything together to make it tight. Took a while to put that on. You need a mechanic for that, and I didn't know that. Let's see. Shadow Conspiracy bolts, and some of them, they're all different. I don't care. Alright, and then I got Animal ASM tires for both tires. Don't listen to what people say. They're awesome tires. They look bald, but they're not normal tires with tread. They have grips on them. I've used other people's tires, and like sliders are a lot harder on them, and these still have a lot of grip, but I'm probably gonna get Fit FAF tires soon. Front rim, let's see, Odyssey Hazard rim, Odyssey Hazard light 3 walls, Orlando blue, pretty nice rim I have to say. Make sure you keep the spokes tight though, they'll bend. Shadow straight gauge spokes. Straight gauge are the strongest spokes. Laced to a Shadow Conspiracy Raptor female front hub. I love female hubs because like my last hub that I got, the axle bent, and now you don't have to worry about that. Pretty awesome hub. Amber Lexicon forks. I like Amber parts because I mean, they are a little heavier, but they're strong and they're really cheap. These were only like $60. Most forks are like $100 and something dollars. I think that's all for the front. Now I got stolen mob cranks. They suck. I actually found out earlier that they are cracked. Found out like 2 hours ago, right here. Close up on that. Pretty cracked there. Yeah, so they are cracked. I don't really care. I'm getting new cranks in. Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. They are pretty good pedals at first. Once the pins wear down though, they suck. And the pins will mess up your shins, as you see. I have scars all over my shins. But yeah. Still good pedals though at first, and they wear down before. Great time for someone to call me. Mission spindle. My last spindle got a bolt snapped into it, and I still have it. I just didn't feel like getting it. Oh, another thing about the frame. It's Spanish and not mid-bottom bracket, which I like. It's lighter. Clean this baby up a little. See a little. Oh, crap. I got Sunday Saber 2 sprocket. It already bent. I got it like 2 weeks ago. It's not horrible though, I should say. I mean, I tried to find the thickest sprocket I could find because I know how bad they can bend. Let's see. seat. Just got grease on there. I got Shadow Conspiracy Solus, I think, seat post combo. I like it. It's pretty cushioned. It's a fat seat, but I don't care. Let's see. What else is there? My bottom brackets are profile Spanish bottom brackets. Back. Got mechanic half link chain. Something to say. The Colt chain breaker sucks. I used it once and it broke on this chain, and it sucks. It just looks nice. Don't ever get it. See, Odyssey Hazard, both Odyssey Hazard rim, RONO glue and stuff. Laced to a Shadow Raptor hub, Shadow Street gauge, same as the back and the front, both the same. ASM. What else is there? My shoes. I have Lakai Selects. Forget what kind they are. Mike Mel, I think. I like Lakais, they're pretty cushioned. And that is it. Go in mine.